fascinating story. Suspect him of being a spy. Suspect. Deliver a message to a friend. Identify the body. Identify the body. The office is located in the area. A car manufacturing company. Occupy a high position. Occupy a high position. Own 5 cars. Own 5 cars. Be exposed to danger. Conclude that he was killed. He was killed. Cure him of his illness. Suspect, LB, suspicion, suspicious. Suppose, doubt, suspect. Doubt, don't believe, suspect, suppose. I doubt that he killed her. I suspect that he killed her. Deliver, speech, delivery. Identified, identification, identity. Idential, locate, location. Manufacturer. Car manufacturing. Occupied, be occupied with. Own, of one's own wing. One's own. Exposure. Conclusion. Cure. Perceive danger. Perceive. 理解。知覚する。Perceive. Perceive danger. Ban smoking in public places. Ban smoking in public places. Ban. Ban smoking in public spaces. Be alarmed by the noise.